Day 91 of the rest of my life. 91 days ago, I quit my corporate job to pursue my passion of starting our successful clothing brand MUEL, and to show you that when you align your passions with your purpose, everything and anything is possible. Today, on day 91, it was our day off. And today we had the opportunity to catch up on a lot of the things that have been piling up for MUEL and for myself. This morning I went through my morning routine, got a workout in, showered, went for a walk, and came back and got right to work. And throughout the day I was listening to music, I was on my computer writing things down and also adding things to the calendar. I started off by writing for 45 minutes about the things that I want to accomplish in the next 3 months, and I just wrote and wrote and wrote and wrote. I wrote about the things that I will do, the things that I want to do, the things that I am doing, and the things that I want to continue to do. I'm going to grab the book and share with you guys some of the things that I wrote down today and share what we will be accomplishing in the next 3 months. I wrote 7 pages of just, I will do this. I will limit my hours after buying shirts, asking myself questions. What am I searching for? I want to build my community. I want to memorize my mission, memorize my vision, put myself first, journal every day, and just writing down some goals and writing down the things that we will accomplish over the next 3 months. And after that, this gave me steps that I needed to implement immediately to make sure that we do what we need to do and do the things that we need to do to accomplish these goals in this book. So one of the things was continuing to add to the schedule. I added some things to the Google Calendar, and then I did my budget. So I've been trying to incorporate a budget, a personal budget and a business budget for the past 6 months since June, and I've been struggling. I originally set an alarm for later in the day when I was supposed to go into the budget and update it to see where my money was going. Usually I spend a lot of money eating out, and that is something that is starting to come up again because now that I'm working and I'm out, I'm hungry and I want to eat during lunch. So one of the things that I need to do is pack lunch to avoid spending all that money eating out. But I say that because keeping a budget is going to allow me to track my spending and see if I'm investing into the things that I told myself I was going to invest in, into building assets and into growing our brand. So the budget allowed me to see where my money was going and also track my spending for MUEL. I'm tracking every single thing from lunches to camera gear to our blanks and screen printing, and writing all those things down with a brief description and also how much that is costing us. And we came to the conclusion that we've spent almost 6 bands so far invested into MUEL, and less than $200 in return. So from the camera to the lens to the mics to every single thing, we're not behind, but it goes to show that in business you will lose before you win, in life you will lose before you win, and if you're scared to lose, you will never win. So fortunately, I am not afraid to lose, whether it's money, friends, relationships. So in the end, I will win because I am able to look past those quote-unquote losses to get to our desired result. Yes, there is points in business where you want to cut your losses, but I know that most of the expenses that are on that budget are from the camera and are from courses that I took and are not directly related to product. So I know that we can keep going and continuing to make sure that we break even and push past towards the quote-unquote debt that we're in. But also on that budget, I have my credit score, which I'm tracking so we can eventually get business credit. I'm tracking our assets, our liabilities. I'm tracking my student loan debt, and also doing some of my personal budgeting too, to make sure that the money that I am making is going all into MUEL. And today I got paid which was nice. I sent a lot of it, $600, 618 to be exact. I sent 500 to my business account so we can have that money saved up for when the prints are ready, when the shirts are done, and they are done with the screen printer. So that is definitely exciting that we have the majority of our funds to get our shirts and to start giving you guys the symbols of purpose and allow you guys to join in on the community and join our members who all have their unique stories and are all on their unique journeys and all have something that they can add, and we can all add to each other's journey. So after I wrote the budget and worked on that, I then sent an email because I needed to update you guys on what's been going on. So I drafted an email on the computer, and then I put it together, made it look nice. If you're a part of the community already, you already got this email, and I explained what's been going on with the manufacturing process, how we've been experiencing some delays because of the people that we've previously worked with who we are not working with anymore, and also added some, pictures and designs, added some buttons so you guys can follow the journey and join the journey on Instagram and YouTube, watch these daily vlogs, and also follow our socials. So I drafted that email on Klaviyo and sent that out around 5:30ish. I originally was going to send it through Shopify, but then I realized I should just do everything through the platform that I'm going to use for my email marketing and not try to switch things up. And also, when I was trying to send the email through Shopify, it wasn't going through because I didn't know how to use that platform. I know how to use the platform I was using before. But today was a very good day for our business. We progressed, and I'm happy with the work that we put in. Now it is time to build off of the things that we wrote down for the next 3 months and continue to push forward. There's a lot of things that I wrote down, and I'm excited to accomplish them. I'm using the camera, and when I use the camera, I talk for forever because it feels like something you just want to talk to, But I'm going to start using the camera every single night and making sure the quality stays up. And also, today was supposed to be Workout Wednesday. It is still Workout Wednesday. I did get my workout in, but we did not get our workout in together. So next Workout Wednesday, I will make sure that I record the video earlier in the day and manage my time better. I had a time slot for the workout at 5, 6-ish, but I've been watching movies too much, and that's another thing that I told myself I'm going to correct. So thank you guys for watching. Share this with someone who needs a budget, who spends too much money going out, drinking, going to happy hours, spending money on food, clothes, and they say they have a business that they want to run. They say they have a business that they're investing in. They say they want to grow their assets, but they're spending all their money they're going to working for someone else, into giving it back to someone else, not investing in themselves to grow their own businesses and grow their own whatever they're working on. So send this to someone who is BSing with their money and they need to tighten up like ourselves. I'm no better, we're no better, but we're all working towards getting better at what we're doing and managing our money better so we can avoid working for other people for the rest of our lives and make our business quote unquote successful. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Let's get it. Let's win from within today.